What's going on, everyone? Then 1013 back again. Another tuber package. Weskergriff. Hooked him up with a little care package. Nothing spectacular. And I guess he felt the need to go through his stuff and find me some extra stuff. So, Ed, I really appreciate you taking the time and look for cards for me through all your boxes and stuff. That does mean a lot when somebody takes the time to look for your PC, you know. We have a note. Denny, thank you very much for the great care package. I tried going through my boxes for socks and Titan stuff and didn't find much, but I hope you like what's inside. All the best, Ed, Weskergriff. I'm sure I will. Pre-shung this thing so we can get these cards out. Let's check it out. Star Quest, Manny Ramirez. Awesome, Manny being Manny. Pedroia, Susie's favorite. She'll love that one. Adrian Gonzalez. Josh Beckett. Big Poppy. Awesome. Kurt Schilling. Oh, nice. Jackie Bradley Jr. Rookie card. Marched him on the Sea Dogs. Josh Beckett. Chicken Man. Wakefield Knuckleball. Oh, that's cool. Josh Beckett swinging the bat. And Josh Beckett. That could be a gold, if I'm correct. We got some football. Jake Locker, recently retired. Unbelievable. Jamie Harper. Algie Crumpler. I call him Algie Fumbler. Vince Young, come on back. We need a quarterback. Vince Young. Lendale White. Boscape. Ah, one for Susie. Nathan Horton. Make sure she gets those. Nick Harper. Ooh, another one for Susie. Thomas Cabriolet. And I don't have this one. Bishop Sankey, finest rookie card. Awesome. Oh, wow. Very cool. 1955 Major League Baseball All-Star Game commemorative patch. Duke Snider. That is freaking cool. Awesome, man. Thank you very much. And we have one in a team bag. So we'll do a slow roll. It's this way. You see some shine. Oh, it's tribute. Nice. Wow. Damn, look at that card. Hanley Ramirez patch. A lot to shine. There's a beautiful patch. Looks like 29 out of 50. You have received a Prime Patch Relic card from Topps Tribute 2013 World Baseball Classic Edition. Ed, that is freaking beautiful, man. Love it. Definitely did not need to send me anything. That is not why you got a care package. But thank you so much. If you don't know Weskergriff, check him out. Awesome freaking dude. I told you that before. I'll tell you it again. I'll leave the link to his channel below. Go check him out. Awesome dude. Probably bumming right now because of the Eagles, but you know, I have no room to say anything because my team sucks. And Eagles probably will still be better, so. Well, there you have it. PC hookups. Commemorative patch cards. Prime patch cards. Bobby Wagner, guest in the background. There you have it. Thanks for checking out the video. B-Wags all the way. Have a great day, guys.